So the question is, how do we convert to this scientific notation form? An approach that we can take is to write the number out and then place a decimal point on the right hand side. And then from here, we look to move this decimal point to the left, as many places as we need to, until only one digit remains on the left hand side of the decimal point. Here with 8 million, the decimal point moves 6 places to the left. So for scientific notation, n is the remaining digit on the left hand side of the decimal point, and r, the power of 10, is the number of places that we moved the decimal point. And here we have 8 and 6, and that is how we get the scientific notation for 8 million. Now in example B, we have 260,000, and we can use exactly the same approach here. The difference here though is that there is a non-zero digit on the right hand side of the decimal point once it is moved left. That is fine though, as this digit will also be part of the n in the scientific notation. So for n we have 2.6 and for r we have 5 for the number of places that the decimal point was moved. And then we can write the scientific notation form for 260,000. With scientific notation for small numbers, the approach is almost the same. However, this time we move any decimal point that is already present in the number to the right, again until there is only one non-zero digit on the left side of the decimal point. And this time the 10 will have a negative index. So for the number in example A, the decimal point moves 3 places to the right, resulting in the value of n being 5 and 3 being the negative r value. And if we do a little bit of writing here on the right, we can see why this makes sense, as 10 to the negative 3 multiplied by 5 does result in 0.005. And for example D, the decimal point moves 5 places to the right before we end up with a non-zero digit on the left, which is 3. Now we do have some extra digits on the right still of the decimal point, and just like with large numbers and scientific notation form, these digits will be part of the n value as a decimal. So in the scientific notation form, we have 3.92 for n and 5 for our r value.